Meaning of DI.
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 DI. DI can refer to different things depending on the context. In technology, DI is an acronym for dependency injection, a programming technique used to reduce coupling between objects and improve code maintainability. In healthcare, DI can stand for diabetes insipidus, a rare condition that affects the body's ability to regulate fluid balance. DI can also mean direct injection in automotive engineering, where fuel is injected directly into the combustion chamber. In general, the specific meaning of DI should be determined based on the context it appears in.